Good afternoon. It is October 24th, 2024, and today we got a range day. We'll go ahead and delete this. I was looking for a measured move of this range. Here's what it looks like on the daily chart. It looks like we're just trying to figure out what to do now that we pull back to the EMA. So I think, we spiked up in the overnight. Looks like a buy climax right here. Formed this triangle, broke out to the low side, made a lower high, sold off, formed this channel, and then we got two legs, perhaps a measured move of this, yeah, a little bit beyond that, and then strong rally, and then we just went sideways. So, uh, do I think you could go short on this lower high? Um, I think I just don't think there's like much of a reason to. I mean, if you just sell, like maybe at the close, for example, you'd have to put your stop above this high. So you could consider it, but there's just not a lot of convincing evidence saying that we're going lower. Um, you can see turns into like a sort of channel here. And I'm not crazy about this one, but I think it's there's a lot of overlap there. That's I don't think you can take that. But the bias is down, so I mean, I'm not going to mark it, but maybe you consider it. And this is just a lot of overlap, even though we're chopping down. Boom, boom. I don't see how you could get in this. If anything, I'd be thinking going long because we're on that side of the EMA, and it looks like this could be a level of support, but it's not very convincing. And then we're just ranging here. And so you could probably consider something like this, going long above that. And like hoping, or not hoping, looking for it to make a new high, which it did, or a slightly lower high. I like this. If you draw this level of support, drag it up to this resistance. I like this failed second entry long. Nice bearish bar at the top of this range. Drops down, bounces, and then you get this second entry short right here and double top right here, but I'm not so sure about this one. There's just too much back and forth, and we do eventually bounce, and you get this second entry short, but it doesn't make a new high. But maybe you consider that. Here we have basically a repeat of this situation. You got a failed second entry long, but you're going into potential support, so I don't think you can take that. Then we break below that price level, and I marked this, but I don't think you should take that. I think you should wait. It doesn't look strong enough of a breakout for you to take at this point. But then it breaks out and hits that measured move. I don't see anything you can take in here. I don't think you can go long. Strong rally. Second entry short or second entry long right here. Um, but it's right at that level of resistance. Turns into a channel and you get a break and you do get a second entry long right here. I like it, but we did get a close below the EMA. But I do like this. And nice little bear trap right here, or bull trap, excuse me. That is no, that's not a second entry short. Boom, we sell off. I don't think you want to take that just because we don't know where the lows of this potential range are. That might that might be reasonable. I mean, because you might be thinking we're going down to these lows. Anyway, we bounce here. First entry, second entry short. This is clearly a level of resistance now. I just don't like entering below this on a market or a stop order. I think you want to enter on some sort of limit order here. Form this like double bottom here, come back to the highs. You get another second entry short, and it gets you a scalp, but that's all. And it bounces, it breaks out, and the breakout failed. And so that's where we're at. And you know what? I don't even think this did get you a scalp. I think I entered on a limit order, as a matter of fact. Yeah. Okay, so you would have gotten lucky. That's a four tick failure. I think that's a reasonable entry, though, in this situation. Reasonable entry. It just doesn't work. So anyway, I hope everyone had a great day. I'll be back tomorrow.